There is strange relationship between movies and real life. Either the movies are based on real life or they become real. We have seen Hollywood movies like Deep Impact and Armageddon. These movies save Earth by nuking or slamming into big asteroids which are on course to hit Earth. What if I tell you NASA had already launched a spacecraft to change path of an asteroid, which is not in course to hit Earth?
Something is going to hit the Earth again.
The images look like something out of a movie. A tiny asteroid tearing through space at a speed of 33,000 miles per hour.
Earth gets hit by asteroids and small debris all the time.
NASA has launched a spacecraft on a mission to smash into an asteroid.
Asteroids have been hitting the Earth for billions of years. That's not new. What's exciting and new here is that we're actually taking the first steps to be able to prevent that potentially in the future. And that's where DART comes in.
The DART spacecraft, short for Double Asteroid Redirection Test. The mission is now being billed as humanity's first asteroid deflection test mission.
DART comes under Planetary Missions Program, a division of NASA headquartered at the Marshall Space Flight Center, which was established in 2014. DART is the first demonstration of the kinetic impactor technique. The main objective of DART is navigate to crash itself into an asteroid and change the motion of asteroids in space. On the 24th of November 2021, SpaceX launched Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. The rocket carried DART. Its primary objective is to hit an asteroid. The asteroid is about 11 million kilometers from Earth. After nearly a year of cruising through space, it will intercept Dimorphos in late September or early October 2022. The spacecraft is intended to crash into an object called Dimorphos. This is moon to a big asteroid Didymos, which rotates around Sun. Dimorphos was discovered in 2003, which is a small asteroid satellite that is 160 meters wide, almost the same size of Statue of Unity in India. It is the first attempt to deflect an asteroid for the purpose of learning how much its speed and path can be altered. NASA has already successfully demonstrated on a small scale with the Deep Impact mission of 2005. If preparations were made in advance so that kinetic impactors were available upon detection, the NASA would require a warning time of at least 1 to 2 years for smaller asteroids. If an approaching big asteroid was detected tomorrow, perhaps 20 years would be required to build and launch an impactor to reach and impact the target and to nudge the asteroid from Earth's path. DART is a low-cost spacecraft. The main structure of the spacecraft is a box, and it has 2 very large solar arrays that, when fully deployed, are each 8.5 meters long. It carries a single instrument, the Didymos Reconnaissance and Asteroid Camera for optical navigation. DART is carrying a camera called Draco that will provide images of both asteroids and help the spacecraft point itself in the correct direction to collide with Dimorphos. About 10 days before DART hits its target, the American spacecraft will deploy a small, Italian-built satellite called Licia Cube. The smaller craft will send back images of the impact, the plume of debris kicked up, and the resulting crater. The DART will intercept the Dimorphos on September 2022. It will navigate to crash itself into Dimorphos at a speed of approximately 24,000 kilometers per hour. This test will help us to understand the kinetic effect of a spacecraft on asteroid, whether the impact could successfully alter speed and path of asteroid.
For millions of years, a rubble pile called Bennu has orbited the Sun in relative isolation. The asteroid, about 1/3 of a mile wide at its equator, poses no immediate threat to our planet. But hundreds of years from now, there is a small chance that Bennu could slam into Earth. The researchers then analyzed the impact hazard between now and the year 2300. The study finds a 1 in 1,750 chance of a future collision over the next 3 centuries. A slightly higher probability than previously estimated. Bennu is not the only asteroid which can hit Earth. There are asteroids like 99942 Apophis, 2014 YE15, 2013 YD48, and many more which may hit Earth in near future. Chicxulub, the asteroid which whip out dinosaurs, was a diameter of 10 kilometers. These type of asteroids does not exist or may not be found yet. But asteroids with a diameter of 1 kilometer may not wipe out life from Earth, but they have capacity to destroy entire city to small countries, which makes DART more essential for human survival in near future.
No space agency has found any asteroid that threatens whole life on Earth. Cosmos is something which has to be researched a lot, and we need more time and more advanced technology to study and understand the deep space. We still have to explore a lot of space, and there may be big one coming for us, but we haven't found it yet.